Hey guys, welcome to my E46 M3. I am doing this video as a request and a requirement from the nice people at Cars and Bids. This is a cold start. Today is the 5th of November. The car's been sitting for about a month. It has not been under charger, so I'm expecting some resistance from the battery. Let's do it. Yep, no drama really. This is a typical E46 M3, very cold start idle. This settles after a minute or so, and in the summers you're probably not going to experience the up and down. It's a gorgeous car, by the way. I really can't say that I've enjoyed it because I have not. Most of the time it's spent being worked on in terms of upgrades. The nice steering wheel, this interior, very, very fresh. Seats, beautiful M4 seats. That's kind of the only thing that I really liked about the M4, and I decided to put these seats in my car, and it's really a game changer. Much more comfortable, better grip, better everything, and the leather is so soft and supple. Alright, I'm gonna take the car now for some shots so you guys can take a look at it and reassure yourselves that you are making a good purchase. Alright, thanks a lot, bye.